ഇബുക്ക് PSC ചാനലിന്റെ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ജൂനിയർ ക്ലർക്ക് കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സൊസൈറ്റി തസ്തികയിലേക്ക് PSC നടത്തിയ മുൻകാല പരീക്ഷകളെ ആസ്പദമാക്കി 100 ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. കൂടുതൽ PSC ചോദ്യങ്ങൾക്കായി ഇബുക്ക് PSC ചാനലിന്റെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായി ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. Dash is a statutory reserve created from net profit of a cooperative society. Answer: Reserve Fund. Maximum strength of the managing committee of a primary cooperative society is dash. Answer: 15. Maximum limit for surrender of earned leave admissible to the employees of cooperative society on retirement is dash. Answer: 300 days. Jahan is created in form dash. Answer: 8A. Written examination for direct recruitment to the post of clerks in a primary credit society is conducted by dash. Answer: Cooperative Service Examination Board. Section 18 of Kerala Cooperative Society Act came into effect from dash. Answer: 15/5/1969. Autonomy and independence is the dash cooperative principles. Answer: 4th. Annual general body meeting of a cooperative society should be convenient within dash from the close of the financial year. Answer: 6 months. The authority competent to write off bad debts in a cooperative society is dash. Answer: General Body. Section dash of NI Act defines check. Answer: 6. Crossing of a check can be cancelled by dash. Answer: drawer. The lead bank scheme was introduced in dash. Answer: 1969. Dash is the custodian of Foreign Exchange Reserve of India. Answer: RBI. RBI was nationalized in the year dash. Answer: 1949. Fluid resources should be invested as per direction of the dash. Answer: Registrar of Cooperative Society. Multi-purpose cooperative societies are the most important types of societies in dash. Answer: Japan. Dash is an output device. Answer: printer. Dash is plastic card provides purchase of goods on credit and withdrawal of cash. Answer: credit card. In a cooperative society, the audit fees levied by dash of KCS Act. Answer: Rule 65. If a member acts against interest of a society, he can be expelled by dash. Answer: General Body. A tribunal is constituted under section dash of KCS Act. Answer: 81. The minimum period of fixed deposit is dash days. Answer: 7 days. Auditor of a cooperative society shall be appointed from among the panel approved by dash. Answer: Director of Cooperative Audit. Fixed deposit is also known as dash deposit. Answer: Term deposit. Cooperative flag was designed by dash. Answer: Charles Guide. Statutory protection can be claimed for checks. Answer: Crossed. In stock exchanges only dash securities are bought and sold. Answer: Listed. Endorsement is defined in section dash of NI Act. Answer: 15. The rules and regulations of a cooperative society is formed in its dash. Bylaw. Recruitment of staff of the district cooperative banks is entrusted dash. Answer PSC. Quorum for the managing committee in section dash of KCS Act. Answer section 28(5). The president of a cooperative bank is dash. Answer officer. The number of members of cooperative tribunal is dash. Answer 1. A cooperative society is defined in section dash of KCS Act. Answer 2F. The president and office bearers of the society shall be elected within dash days from the date of election. Answer 7. Treasury bills are issued by dash. Answer government. Narasimham Committee on Banking Reforms was appointed in dash. Answer 1991. Checks are payable dash. Answer on demand. Punjab National Bank was set up in the year dash. Answer 1895. The major source of revenue of any business is dash. Answer sales. Accounting begins where dash ends. Answer bookkeeping. Closing stock is dash. Answer asset. Arbitration in cooperative society is done as per section dash of KCS Act. Answer 69. Special General Body meeting is held as per section of KCS Act. Answer 30. Amalgamation and division of cooperative society is done by section dash of KCS Act. Answer 14. Prepaid expenses is shown in company's balance sheet under dash. Answer current assets. Purchase journal is meant for recording all dash purchased of goods. Answer credit. A bank reconciliation statement is prepared by dash. Answer customer. The Reserve Bank of India is a dash. Answer statutory company. Promotion of cooperative society is a duty of dash. Managing committee. The headquarters of Surabhi is at dash. Answer Ernakulam. Who is the father of cooperative movement? Answer Robert Owen. An important document for the membership in cooperative society is dash. Answer identity card. Asset minus liability is equal to dash. Answer capital. The custodian of minutes book of a society is dash. Answer secretary. Rebate is related to dash type of societies. Answer handloom. The total number of rules in the KCS Act is dash. Answer 201. The constitution of a society is its dash. Answer bylaw. The cooperative societies are classified by dash KCS Act. Answer Rule 15. Dash has a right to sign in the identity card of a member of a cooperative society. Answer secretary. Legal heirs have to submit dash certificate to the bank for claiming credit balance exceeding 25,000. Answer succession certificate. Fixed deposit account is a dash liability. Answer time liability. Garnishee order is issued by the court on the request of the dash. Answer creditor. Assets account always have dash balance. Answer debit. Dash is journal and ledger. Answer cash book. Dash is the account of unsold goods in hand at the end of trading period. Answer: closing stock. Provision for bad debt account is created by debiting dash. Answer: profit and loss. Dash are the amount earned by selling the product of a concern. Answer: revenue. Current SLR rate is dash. Answer: 20.50. Recording credit sale in cash book is an error of dash. Answer: commission. Expansion of ATM is dash. Answer: automated teller machine. Liquid asset is dash. Answer: floating asset. A person is known as dash if he is unable to pay his debts in full. Answer: insolvent. NABARD was established on dash. Answer: 1982. Internet banking is also known as dash. Answer: cyber banking or online banking or personal computer banking. Issue of notice of maturity of deposits to the depositor is dash. Answer: mandatory. Immovable property offered as security for availing loan shall be created by means of dash. Answer: mortgage. Internal auditor in a cooperative society is appointed by dash. Answer: managing committee. Cooperative audit is financial audit as well as dash audit. Answer: administrative. Reserve fund is created out of dash. Answer: net profit. When number of cooperatives make use of the service of an auditor, jointly it is dash. Answer: group audit. A fund created for the replacement of an asset or the repayment of a liability is called dash fund. Answer: sinking. An audit report which contains no condition is called dash report. Answer: clean. Erection charge made for machinery is added to dash account. Answer: machinery account. Highly yielding loans is a dash. Answer: performing asset. Maximum validity of a check is dash. Answer: 3 months. Maximum period of an administrator or administrative committee of a cooperative society carrying banking business is dash. Answer: 1 year. The chief executive of the society shall prepare the financial statement and statutory statement within dash months from the close of the financial year. Answer: 1 month. Dash means allocating the work in such a way that one person's work is automatically checked by another. Answer: internal check. All primary credit cooperatives shall open its branches with the prior permission of dash. Answer: registrar of cooperative societies. The features that allows preview a document in the computer before it I printed is dash. Print preview. Outstanding salary is dash. Answer: liability. In fixed installment method, depreciation is calculated on dash. Answer: original cost. Legal charges in connection with the purchase of land is dash expenditure. Answer: capital. Towards cooperative commonwealth was written by dash. Answer: D.R. Gargill. Usually, patronage dividend is paid by dash. Answer: consumer. Principal state partnership fund is maintained by dash. Answer: state cooperative bank. The headquarters of IZA was shifted to Geneva from London in dash. Answer: 1982. Dash is the father of cooperative movement in USA. Answer: Hodgson Kelley. SSU was organized in the year dash. Answer 1970.